Good morning, dear students. I will take revision from chapter 5, and name of the chapter 5 is the wild animals. Name of the chapter 5 is the wild animals. As we know that wild animals live in a natural environment, and some live in a forest, some lives in a jungle, and others live in a water. So they are not domesticated. They are not domesticated. They live wild and they do not work for anybody, and food hunting is their main chief work. And some wild animals are big, others are small, and I will tell you some big animals: giraffe, rhinoceros, whale, tiger, lion, elephant is the big wild animals. And some small wild animals, that is the fox, snake, zebra, wolf, monkey, turtle, deer. They are the small wild animals. And besides these, there are a large number of insects that live wild, and fly, wasp, bees, dragonfly, butterfly, louse, bug, etc. And some of the common insects, they are the common insects. And eating habits of wild animals. Eating habits of wild animals. As we know that it is according to the eating habits of wild animals, it is categorized into three basic categories. That is the herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous. Herbivorous animals, those who eat grasses, leaves and plants, they are called plant eating animals. And elephant, giraffe, rhinoceros, deer and zebra are among them. And some animals kill other animals and eat their flesh. They are called flesh eating animals. They are called flesh eating animals, or animals those who are flesh of other animals, they are called the carnivores. Example: lion, tiger, kingfisher, snake are among them. It makes swallow the animals whole. And some animals eat the flesh or remains of dead animals. Thus they help to jungles clean, and such animals are called the scavenger. This type of animals are called the scavengers. Jackal, hyena, vulture are among such animals. And some animals eat both plants and other animals. Bear and bat are among such animals. Bear and bat are among such animals. Homes of wild animals. Homes of wild animals. Most wild animals do not build their homes. They choose natural shelters. They choose natural shelters. Lion, bears, tigers, wolves and foxes live in dens and caves. They choose the natural shelter. Natural shelter means homes. They choose the natural homes. And elephants and deer live under the shades of big trees. And zebras hide themselves in tall grasses. Zebras hide themselves in tall grasses. And monkeys and langur live on trees. Monkeys and langur live on trees. Snakes live in holes. Birds make their nest on tree. Birds make their nest on tree. Protecting animals. What is the protecting animals? Wild animals are also a part of the wealth of a nation. We should protect them. We should protect them. All over the world, wild animals are in danger. All over the world, wild animals are in danger. Certain animals like the tiger, Indian rhinoceros, Asian elephant, red panther, snow leopard, great Indian bustard are very few in number now. These animals will soon disappear if we do not protect them. So in this chapter we learnt about the wild animals live in a natural environment, Wild animals may be big or small, and some animals like lion and tigers live in dens and caves, and an elephant lives under the shades of big trees. A zebra hides itself in tall grasses, and we must protect wild animals. We must protect wild animals. More to know, plant eating animals are called the herbivorous. Flesh eating animals are called the carnivorous. Animals eating both plants and other animals are called omnivorous. Endangered animals are those which are likely to disappear in the future. So this is all about the chapter 5 wild animals, and now come to the exercises, and exercises fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So wild animals live in a natural environment, and birds build their nests. Elephant and giraffe are plant eating animals. Lion and tigers are flesh eating animals. All over the world, wild animals are in danger. Write T for true and F for false. Deer, zebra, giraffe are domestic animals. False. Lion, tigers and wolves live in a dens. True. Deer is a herbivore. True. Giraffe is a carnivore. False. Bear is a omnivore. True. What are wild animals? Give 3 examples. Wild animals, they live in a natural environment and they are not domesticated, and some live in a forest, jungles, etc. And examples: lion, tiger, rhinoceros, giraffe, zebra. Name 3 natural shelters: dens, caves, holes. Name 3 flesh-eating animals: lion, tiger, snake. Name 3 animals that feed on dead animals: jackal, hyena, vulture. Name 3 animals that are in danger: red panda, snow leopard, Indian rhinoceros. These are the examples of animals, those who are in danger, or we can say that endangered species. They are not disappear, but they are likely to be disappear, maybe. So this is called the endangered species, and this is chapter 5 wild animals. And in this chapter you will learn question answer, and question answer you will learn, and what is the given in the exercises, that also you have to learn. So what you will do, first you will read this chapter, then you can take your rough copy and write in the rough copy. And different terms are also there in this chapter, like what is herbivorous animals, what is carnivorous animals, what is omnivorous animals. So what is given in the different terms are also there, that is the scavenger, what is the endangered species, and different things are given in this. So you have to learn, and these terms you have to write in copy. So this is all about chapter 5, and name of the chapter 5 is the wild animals. Like this you will take revision, and like this you will study. And some terms are also given extra: herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous. What is the scavengers, and what is the natural shelters, and what is endangered species. So this is all about the chapter 5, and name of the chapter 5 is the wild animals. So I told you in this chapter I told you about some big animals, some small animals. So you have to make 2 columns, and in 1 column you have to write some big wild animals, and second column you have to write some small wild animals. So after that you have to categorize some big wild animals, that is the giraffe, rhinoceros, whale, tiger, lion, elephant, and some small wild animals, that is the snake, fox, zebra, wolf, monkey, turtle, deer. They are also wild animals, and like that you will categorize. And after that that you will take a revision.